So, hi guys, what we're going to be doing today is going to be showing you how to open up this hard drive. So first of all, you're going to need one of these. It's a special little, if you can see it, it's a little bit for these screws. And we'll skip to it until I've got these screws out. Also, something to remember is underneath the little sticker on here, there's almost always another screw, so you want to be able to get that out. So I'll just get these screws out and I'll be right back. Right, I've taken the screws out. Now we've just got to get some good leverage on this thing to take it out. And I'm just going to use a little bottle opener for that. Just gonna Alright, I've got it the lid off. And this is what we get. So just remove basically any screws that you see. There's a few around this bit here, and there's one around here, and I think there's one there as well. So I'm just going to remove those screws and I'll be back again in just a moment. Alright, we're back again. I've removed all visible screws. Just going to take this piece off and remove that. Oh, so that's this piece here. It looks like that is removable. You have to take the screws off from the other side for that one. And this, I think we're going to have to move the screws from the other side of this, which are just here, to go any further. So I'm going to remove all the screws from this side, and then we'll continue. And we're back once again. So now we're going to just, because I'm going to cut this little bit here, because that's what one of the things keeping it in place. And we'll just cut that there. So now we've got this bit disconnected. So if you were planning to reassemble this, obviously you don't want to do that, because you won't be able to put it back together. And I think this part here is simply, I think this bit is simply secured by the magnet. So I'm gonna get just a simple little thing to get some leverage under there. I've removed the board from this side of the thing. This is it here. Just remove that. It comes off pretty easily. Just removing all the screws. And then, as previously mentioned, under a lot of these places, like here, there's going to be hidden screws. So you want to check everywhere. Like here, this is a hidden screw under here, and here, and there, and there's one over here as well. So you want to make sure you get all those. I want to get those, and I'll be right back. So, we're back again. Turns out this thing was just magnetic, and we just needed to put a bit of leverage on there, get a finger, and remove that. And this is one of the prizes. A Neodymium magnet. Very strong. I'm going to put this somewhere safe. Put it over there for now. And the other one is under there, just here, as you can see. So we're going to have to move this. So I think that's as simple as unscrewing this. Was just screwed in, and you just needed to use a normal flathead screwdriver to unscrew that, and then it came up from there. And now from here we can remove this screw as I attempted before, and still failing to do. I should probably just use a screwdriver. Because I'm smart. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's strong. Wow. So that's the other neodymium magnet just under there. Oh, whoops. Well, that's not going back. So yeah, we can just pick this up now. I'm gonna put this down just over here. with the other one, and then we can deal with getting this thing up. So the screw has just fallen under there. Let's get that back. For good sake. Right, there we go. Oh, butterfingers today. Let's put that in the little screw thing, my bob. And now I'm going to try and get this up, and I'll be back with you as soon as I do. Wait a second. Magic. There we go. So, this is the hard drive platter, as it's known. Very reflective. And that's where all the data is stored. So, this is very cool. You can... There you see me with the GoPro filming this. But yeah, as I was saying, this is very shiny as it is. So you can see my fingerprints getting all over it. But that's mainly it. You couldn't probably reassemble this if you didn't do it as clumsily as I did. But the main prizes are the Neodymium magnets, which are attached here, and it's the platter of the hard drive. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.